In this video we will create my custom number slider card. Here you can see it in action on my dashboard in my alarm pop-up. If you haven't seen the video about my custom alarm setup, I will link it in the top corner. This card might be a bit more niche, but if you are interested in the full code for this card, you can find a link in the description. As always, please make sure you have button card installed and this time also install my cards bundle. As always, we start by adding a custom button card. My entity is an input number. First, we will define some variables. We set an icon variable, label and state to false, and a color variable. I will use this to make this card be able to work with a label or a state, depending if you change this label variable. First, we set the label to our label variable. For show label, we check if the variable is set to false. If so, we set it to false as well. If the variable was changed, we set show label to true. We set show icon to false and show state to true. Tap action becomes toggle and hold action becomes more info. We add a custom field named icon2. This is a custom button card with the icon we set in the icon variable. The styling is quite simple. We set the background color of the card to contrast 1 and set the size. We do the same for the icon and set color to contrast 2. We add another custom field named slider. This is a custom my slider card and we set it to the entity of the main card. For the settings of this card, we set radius to 100 pixel, height to 12 pixel, thumb color to black, main slider color to our color variable, and secondary slider color to contrast 1. Let's style our main button card. For the grid template areas this time, it's a bit more complicated. We use some JavaScript code to set different areas depending on if we want to show a label or not. The difference is one has label instead of state at the beginning. For the grid template columns, we set 1FR, 1FR, and for the rows, we set 1FR, min content, and min content. The name gets justify self start, font size 11, margin bottom 6 pixels, color contrast 20, and opacity of 0.7. For the card, we set a height of 75 pixel, background color contrast 2, box shadow none, border radius of 24 pixel, and padding of 12 pixel, 0, 12 pixel, and 14 pixel. Now for the state, we set justify self start, font size 15 pixel, margin top 3 pixel, font weight 500, and color to contrast 20. We can copy this and also set it for the label, as they are interchangeable. Lastly, we style the custom fields. For icon 2, we set margin top -6 pixel, justify self end, align self center, width of 24 pixel, padding right 10 pixel, and color to contrast 20. For the slider, we set padding right to 16 pixel. And with that, our custom number slider card is done. You can use the slider in the card to change the state of the input number. I hope you enjoyed the video and got some inspiration for your own dashboard. As I said, if you are interested in the full code for this card, you can find the link in the description. If you enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos in which I create more custom cards, show off cool Hugs cards, and a tour of my personal dashboard. Thanks for watching.